Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Friends, in this video I am gonna tell you about how to fix battery drain issue in your Motorola smartphone. If sometimes you just charge your smartphone and it is draining too fast, how you can stop this. So firstly, avoid some of the things you are doing right now. If you are playing games while charging your smartphone, it will definitely drain your battery too fast and it will also heat up your smartphone. So avoid these things. And if you have turned on automatically update while charging or at night, you have to completely disable this auto update feature from the Play Store or your software update also. And then friends, you have to just click on this search in your settings and right here display refresh rate. Click on this display refresh rate, and here it is smart and balanced and efficiency first. If you have chosen 120 hertz, so it will takes more battery consumption, so you can choose efficient first, a reliable experience with the lowest battery consumption. If you are not playing too much games, so you can choose this also, or sometimes 120 hertz, so it will also reduce your battery drainage problem. Then friends, you have to just clear your app cache, like click on this applications, click on search, and right here Google Play services. You have to click on storage and cache, clear cache applications, and click on Android here, Android system, clear cache this also, and this will fix your problem. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.